If you want to learn how to download Prezi, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to get the Prezi desktop app installed on your computer so you can work offline and use Prezi more smoothly. Just keep in mind that you need a paid Prezi account to download and use the desktop software. So if you're on a free plan, this option may not be available until you upgrade. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Now, let's get into it. First, open your browser and log into your Prezi account. Once you're signed in, go to your profile page on the Prezi website. From there, you'll want to head over to your main dashboard screen. On the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner because that's where Prezi places the download option for the desktop app. When you find it, click the Download the Prezi desktop app link. This will start the download process for the installer file. Depending on your computer, the file will download in a different format. If you're using Windows, you'll usually get an .exe file. If you're on a Mac, you'll get a .dmg file. Both of these are normal and you just need to open the one that matches your device. After the file finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder and open the Setup installer. On Windows, double-click the .exe file. On Mac, open the .dmg file. Once the installer launches, follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the setup. In most cases, you just need to click through the install steps, agree to the terms if prompted, and let the app finish installing on your system. Once the installation is complete, you can open the Prezi desktop app and sign in with your account. From there, you'll be ready to create, edit, and present your Prezi projects directly from your computer. This is especially useful if you want a more stable workflow or need access to your presentations offline, and that's it. You've now learned how to download Prezi and install the desktop app on Windows or Mac. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.